Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious rice cooker luncheonmeat egg rice. I hope you will like it. Rice cooker braised rice is easy to make and very delicious. You can add your favorite ingredients and cook it together to make it nutritious. Ingredients are rice, egg, luncheonmeat, carrot, and corn kernels. I wanted to make curry flavor, so I prepared Japanese curry cubes. Diced carrot. Melt Japanese curry cubes with hot water and set aside. Just fold it in half to easily take out the desired amount of curry cubes. Rice into rice cooker inner pot, crack an egg and stir well. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to taste. Add corn kernel and carrot diced. Add luncheonmeat. Add curry sauce and stir well. Add enough water to cook rice. Select rice cooking button. Rice cooker luncheonmeat and egg rice is ready. The beautiful golden rice grains are so beautiful. The aroma of curry rice fills the whole house. It's so delicious. Those who don't want to eat curry flavor may optional to change the seasoning to oyster sauce, soy sauce, and pepper to season and stew it. The taste is also great. When the rice is boiling, open the lid of the rice cooker and stir the rice. Once cooked, stir well and simmer for 2 minutes. The purpose of mixing the rice evenly during cooking is to allow the curry to melt evenly and coat every grain of rice. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Japanese curry has a unique taste, not spicy at all and even a little sweet. Authentic Japanese curry cubes are filled with concentrated fruit puree, flour, and even honey, making the soup thicker and sweeter after cooking. It is a favorite of many children. The main ingredients of Japanese curry are spicy spices such as turmeric powder, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and coriander seeds, which can promote the secretion of saliva and gastric juice, increase gastrointestinal motility, and increase appetite. If you have eaten a lot of canned food, you may not be surprised by the classic canned luncheon meat. But do you know why luncheon meat is called luncheon meat? When luncheon meat was first invented, some luncheon parties became popular to eat spam, which gradually evolved into luncheon meat, which spread and got this translation name. Today's luncheon meat has become the proper name for this type of canned food. What brand and flavor of lunch meat do you like to eat? The vitamin content in corn is very high, 5 to 10 times that of rice and wheat. Among all staple foods, corn has the highest nutritional value and healthcare effects. Moldy corn can produce carcinogens, so moldy corn must not be eaten. Patients with skin diseases should avoid eating corn. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.